YouTubers, we are back down at Florida Fish Camp. Day one we went out and it was windy as heck.
They have 2 poles. That pole right there's got 4 spikes.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Real big.
Good eating size?
Yeah. It's better, isn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Get it out, Chase. You get that out.
Oh, it's been a while.
Well, that didn't take too long.
Second day, we decided to just stay here on the St. John's and do a little fishing on the river. The net's back here by you, I think. Well, that's a nice one. I'll have to get a stringer. Feels pretty good. Oh my gosh. My fish attractant. They like the Cheetos. The Cheetos worked. Uh-oh. That's a crappie. It's a good one. It is. I see it.
God, that's a nice one.
We're in Dad's spot.
Okay, well, here, hold this.
That's nice. Oh yeah.
Here, can you get that hook? Here.
Oh yeah. Bring it in your head. I look like a monster. You want a catfish?
Huh?
You want to eat a catfish?
Oh no. Real.
Catfish and make for the
I hate this net.
be enough to eat.
Well,
I wouldn't mind
it's
trying a
up to
catfish
you.
out of here. I don't want to put him on that stringer though.
You want to bring him up?
I'm trying. I don't want him breaking the line again.
Oh. Oh. Do you want me to net him?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good eating
Yeah,
size.
you know I ain't getting that.
I just hate how they slime your line up. On your little dock pole. You always catch stuff on your little dock pole.
I know, look at him. That's like home size.
Fry him up?
Sure, Mom said. Mom
Yeah.
liked that one. That's just enough for both, she said. Is this pole getting a bite or is it?
No, reeled in. This thing's... Look at this stupid thing.
Oh! There. Why'd you throw out the by that gar?
I did. It was down deep. I thought I was dragging the bottom.
You want me to get this pole? How you gonna get him?
Don't know.
All right, where's the pliers?
Need the net. I mean, it's over there where you laid it.
Come here, Doc. Oh.
He's not happy.
Oh. Look at him. You gotta show Mom. I don't want it to put in his mouth first, do I? Oh! That's a screwed down. Oh! Oh!
Oh,
Troy!
come on.
That's a big one. How do I get him back? I can't reach this net's kind of junky. Alright, I got this fast enough. No, I didn't. Look, he got out. He got away.
I don't even know how you did that. How did you do that? Get the...
You know, I just do stuff like that. Here you go.
This is a nice release. Thank you. Oh, he knocked on my...
too. She go, ooh, I'm good.
Why would they eat that little jig? Yeah, there's one really nice one in there. End up with 16. It's 22. It's not bad.
26 in there.
We watch that osprey. I'd come down and grab one.
Throw the fish out there. That one that you had in there swallowed it. I threw it
Oh,
out.
yeah.
So we had Yeah, that's what you ought to do. Just set you a cooler in there with some ice in it, throw them in there on that.
That's why we just didn't want to run and get ice, but that's what we were going to do.
A lot easier to clean.
Yep. Gail and me ended up with 6, and I think Chase and Dad had 15 or 16, and brought them home, cleaned them up, and had a fish fry. I got a video on this table if you guys want to check it out. It's actually worked pretty good. Now you can turn the water on. I don't be able to tell the catfish from the crappie when we get it. Why's that water so warm feeling?
Oh my God, Dan. Are they good? Good.
Well, that evening, Chase and me got in my boat and went down the river a little ways and tried to catch us a bass or two. Yeah, I'm sure. It's longer than the... in. I stopped and he was like, okay, take it if you want it.
Well, what is it, a striper?
No, it's just a largemouth, I think.
Sure was jumping.
He's hungry.
Hey! Not bad.
Hey, I'll take him.
Cool.
First bass of the year. Thank you, little fella. There he goes.
Wait. You said
Oh, did he get out?
yeah.
Oh.
Got the skunk off my last cast.
Yep. Good way to end of the day, right there. And goodbye. Next morning, we tried the same spot out here in the river. Could you grab me a minute? Get that net, that's a nice one. Jeez. We have nothing to put them in.
Troy.
I'm not kidding. Never even think about it until we get a fish. Feisty one. Oh my goodness. That's a nice one. Ooh. That's pretty. Take it home and plant it. Yeah.
Oh,
Shoot.
are you kidding me? I caught it on that.
Oh, shoot, I just had something.
What was that? It's something good, I thought.
Got something?
Troy?
Ah,
It broke the... How do you set the fucking drag on these holes?
on the bottom. Well, that evening, Chase and me went over to Ormond Beach and see if we could get one of those elusive sheep's heads. Sweet!
Is that a sheep's head?
That's a sheep's head, you butthead. What I've been trying to catch forever.
Cool.
Here. There, I gotta hold him out. Boy, he's feisty. So we got a measurement. He's like 11 3/4.
Ready?
Yeah. See ya, fella.
Cool.
Finally, the wait is over. Come here, little fella. I've never been so happy to see you. Finally. I gotta get my picture. I might never see one again. It's almost as big as yours. Thank you, little fella. Free! So the next morning, it was 100% chance of rain, so Gal and me slept in, and luckily Chase got up early that day, and him and Dad went out fishing, and Chase finally got him a couple good crappie. I wish he would have had a camera with him. That stupid bird. Has that bird got that? No, that was a fish.
You had a fish?
Her line just got broke. You had something big on. I thought you had a bird at first, but the bird went that way and your line was still going that way. Well, the fish took care of it. Got everything. Did you guys get your limits?
Oh yeah. We've just been driving around for fun.
That's what we've been doing.
Almost got my 3-pounder.
Did you?
Pound 13.
Woo! One was nice. He got out there. Oh, that's that one, isn't it?
Look at the head on it.
Jeez,
But this
God.
one was like only 1 pound 6 or something.
Really?
Or maybe this is my good one.
Yeah, I think
I think
so.
this is maybe well.
I showed a guy
Here,
who I
put it
play
up,
cards
stick.
with. I said, "This is what they catch." I said, "They're crappie." He said, "Those aren't crappie."
To the side.
No, he didn't believe it. So I'm gonna show him.
Nice thick fillets. Ow, got my finger in there. Gail and me did get the boat out that day, but we didn't have any luck. Ended up just taking a little scenic tour of the of Blue Creek.
I want to pet him. Come on, pet him.
Is he down here?
He's not scared of me. Check the motor suit. Like, get the thing back up. You get your
Somewhere.
camera?
I think he went by, didn't he? Yeah, I see the dirt.
Oh, there he is. Oh. Yeah.
Then we come back and had a major feast, a big old crab boil. That looks delicious.
Thing going.
Did you do it without losing any? The first time I've seen that.
Let's see, turn them over so I'll get me a picture of them, please.
So that brings us to the last day here. Chase and me got up real early and went over to Ormond by the sea, did a little surf fishing. We were hoping for some pompano. What you got? A little whitey? Sweet. What's that on, the fish bites?
Yeah, the gold stick stuff. I don't know. So that must be why my line was.
Yeah. Heck of a fighter, wasn't he?
Yeah. There was one time I'm like, is that a fish?
I must have been on there that whole time. I don't know. Find out in a minute. Hopefully. I think that one's way down the beach. I think it'll be all right. Well, that's all. A wave knocks my pole over, and I guess that's all it needed, is a little action. What do you think it is? I'm saying,
Jack.
I'm going to say, oh, no, it's not a jack. I don't know, it's got a little fight to it, but it's a whiting, isn't it?
Yep. Well, that's the one.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
They like that gold stuff.
Yeah, they do.
So I should put that on both.
I know, that's what I'm wondering. See you, little fella. That was on my inshore ugly stick. I think it's a little too light for the beach, but it does work. I caught a fish on it. Who's your friend?
Tell them how your stay was.
This is a wonderful time. I had a wonderful time. We had good eats, good weather, good fishing, and I'm coming back. I wish I didn't have to leave.
And you love the Mexican ice cream.
And I love the Mexican ice cream. Yes.
That sounds pretty good. I wish I didn't have to leave too. So yeah, well, it's the last day. We're out here just fishing the dog. Just want to show you my orange tree real quick. This is the Hamlin oranges. We tried one a couple nights ago and they are delicious. Not real big, but that ponderosa lemon, the bug got a hold of it. But it produced a few lemons, and then this is the one I just planted last month. It is loaded with blooms. We picked a bunch off already. It's just overloaded with blooms. But yeah, that there's, I just planted it. It was a year ago in January, and it's already producing for us. I'm gonna go ahead and I think pick these and put them in our suitcase.